Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Impala 1LT. This vehicle has 66,414 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, tinted windows all the way around the vehicle, and 18-inch painted alloy wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our half cloth, half leather, jet black seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.